Check this out, this is the EKSA H5 telecommunications wireless headset. Now this is advertised as having AI powered ENC for crystal clear voice pickup. We will indeed be testing that aspect out real soon, but the headset is supposedly an added aid to use in offices, call centres, warehouses, for study, supermarkets, or even good for those people that work from home. There are a bunch of specifications to the rear. We're not going to really look too much into them unless we really need to, because for example, looking at that usage time, on most headsets, they are tested out using minimum volume settings, which personally I don't really find that useful. That's why we do on this channel thoroughly test out all of our reviewable products and give you our full ratings towards the end of the video. But for the price of £53, that's 65 in US dollars, what do we get within the package? Well as it having a lovely looking outer shell box, everything inside also comes very well presented and packaged. Be heard anywhere, it says. So what's this box? Oh, it's not actually a box, it's just part of the inner card protection. Okay, so first of all, we get the little headset itself. This H5 headset, guys, is super lightweight. It comes with that tiny 30mm driver unit. It has a PU leather earpad fully covering it, with an extendable headband, a pressurization pad to the opposite side, to provide more than adequate firm grip when this headset is placed upon your head. Nope, it's not going anywhere. It is indeed quite comfy to wear actually. And to the side of that multi-level designed driver unit, we have a rotatable bendable microphone, which can be placed right in front of your mouth, with a well-positioned mute switch on the outer tip of it, as well as an LED indication light on the rim of that driver itself. We have the volume up and down buttons, which by the way, if you are playing music, which you're not going to really want to do with this headset, you can also use them to select the previous and next track selections. There is that power button too, that acts as your play, pause, call answering button, as well as voice assist. And well to the rear of it, you've got a Type-C charge port, where this headset can be plugged in and charged via that Type-C charge cable that is provided. But guess what? You even get this handy little headphone charging stand module. There are dual charge pins at the bottom of the headset, where the headset simply slots nicely into that L-shaped stand, just like so, with it too being powered via that same charge cable that is provided. The LED indication light on the side of the headphones, it will notify you once they are fully charged. It is certainly quite quick to boost up that 400mAh internal battery, but as you may have noticed, there is that EKSA dongle stored away within that L-shaped stand, to enable you to use this headset with laptops and PCs. The H5 headset does have a dual pairing function, so you can connect it to two different devices simultaneously. But with that USB dongle, you can plug it direct into your laptop or PC. Doesn't really matter if it's not got Bluetooth whatsoever, it is plug and play, and you shouldn't have no issues syncing it right away. I mean, the H5 telecommunications headset does have a simple yet snazzy design. The charge stand does have little grip pads to the bottom to help keep it sturdy on flat work surfaces. But lastly, as well as it having a multi-language user manual within the package, we do get this very soft feeling EKSA pull cord carry pouch to help transport the headset inside, transporting it safely when on the go. Very nice. But enough talking, how does this headset perform? First of all, it is a telecommunications headset, so please remember that. So put aside any thoughts of using this H5 headset for any type of music playback, as music will indeed sound very standard and quite flat. That's not a negative by the way, but for the job that it is indeed designed for, I've got to be honest, call quality is rather impressive, with no interference or disruption whatsoever when walking around from room to room. That Bluetooth transmission is very surprising, getting way past the 10 meters that was specified within those specifications on the back of the box, yes. We did use this headset for various different calls throughout the week, and I don't think we actually experienced any issues whatsoever. General mic quality though, well here's an example. Right guys, so we've gone ahead and plugged the H5 headset dongle into this laptop just now, using the webcam. As you may tell, the voice is nice, crisp and clear, quite loud in fact. Not much of an issue when it comes to latency. Okay, maybe the slightest of a delay, but nothing really to call home about. But what's it like when using this headset on a mobile phone? Well, let's head over there, shall we? So now I'm using this headset with a Samsung S20 FE mobile phone. And to be quite honest, it is certainly quite impressive. Latency is indeed a bit better than using it without a USB dongle on a laptop. Your voice does remain very clear and loud. Again, voice pickup is crisp and clear. And what this microphone actually does best with this headset is it blocks out all the surrounding noise around me. Right now, there's FIFA on in the background on a PlayStation 5 console. Can you actually hear anything? No, you can't. And that's because of that AIENC technology. Yes. But ultimately, the audio from the opposite end when making calls is fantastic too. And there's nothing really bad I can moan about, really. Trust me guys, over the past couple of years, we've had loads of cheap telecommunication headsets that's been chucked at us to test out, and I must admit, a lot of them were too embarrassing to even advertise. So when it comes to this H5 headset, I was a bit reluctant to test it out. But as soon as I knew that EKSA was the company behind producing them, I just sort of knew and hoped that they would be a standout product, and that's exactly what they are. They are simply awesome for what they're specified for, and because I'm going to give them a big 10 out of 10 today, I most certainly can recommend them. Now, I'm not affiliated in any type of way, but I'm going to leave a handy little link in the video description down below for you guys to check out. So, if you've liked what you've seen within this video, why not go ahead and go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. But most importantly, please support this channel by subscribing just now, yes. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. It has been fascinating reviewing this little headset this week, and we hope to be doing some more unique tech reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for those uploads. As usual guys, I hope you all stay safe, but thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!